This is one of the most extraordinary timepieces on the planet. Introducing the Triptych Rose Gold Ocean, a $500,000 watch that redefines what luxury truly means. At first glance, it stuns. But look closer and it absolutely mesmerizes. The case is crafted entirely from 18-karat rose gold, polished and hand-finished to perfection. Every curve, every edge, every detail is designed to catch the light and command attention. But what makes this piece truly unique is its triptych construction, a three-panel folding case that opens like a work of art, revealing the intricate masterpiece inside. And speaking of the inside, this is where horological engineering goes to another level. Powering the triptych is a custom-designed tourbillon movement, one of the most complex mechanisms in watchmaking. It features over 300 hand-finished components, each assembled with microscopic precision. The tourbillon itself rotates on its axis, counteracting the effects of gravity to ensure unmatched accuracy. This isn't just functional, it's mesmerizing in motion. The dial is a tribute to the ocean itself. Deep, textured blue, almost like waves captured in precious metal. The rose gold indices and hands appear to float above the surface, giving a sense of depth and serenity. A subtle, sunburst pattern catches natural light and shifts as your wrist moves, making every glance at the time feel like an experience. On the wrist, this watch is pure presence. It's secured with a hand-stitched alligator strap, fitted with a rose gold folding clasp that balances comfort and luxury. Whether paired with a suit or worn casually on a yacht deck, it makes one thing clear: you don't just wear time, you own it. Only 10 pieces exist in the entire world. That's right, just 10. Each one handcrafted, serialized, and delivered only to those who understand what true exclusivity feels like. This isn't just a watch. It's a symbol of status, of rare taste, of ultimate luxury. The Triptych Rose Gold Ocean, $500,000 of craftsmanship, heritage, and design. Would you wear it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more unbelievable luxury pieces only here.